I'm Cody with All Pro Electrical. We're located in Pensacola, Florida. We're a full-service electrical company that offers services for residential, commercial, parking lot lighting, home standby generators, and much more. Specials we run throughout the year are free estimates with no obligation, financing for larger projects such as rewires and generators, and pay at closing for sellers and buyers in the real estate market that need electrical upgrades to be compliant with insurance. I became a business owner because I wanted to provide a great service for the community and also be able to provide jobs for the community as well. We're a proud sponsor of the Electrical Association of Northwest Florida that offers a 4-year apprenticeship program at George Stone, and that enables students to become a state certified electrician. Call me at 850-285-0779 for your free quote and estimates. Make sure you come out to see me at the Home Sweet Home block party.